It's National Consumer Protection Week. Consumer Affairs encourages everyone to take some time out this week to evaluate just what are you doing to manage your personal, financial, and confidential information. So today, Consumer Affairs has partnered with the National Active and Retired Federal Employees Association to provide a workshop about data breaches and identity theft. The most important thing is being able to recognize when there's something that's not quite right. And the only way to do that is by managing on a regular basis your checking account, your bank accounts, anything that has any financial resources involved. Once you start to manage that, as soon as you see anything that's not usual, then you want to reach out to the financial institution, the credit union, or the bank, anybody that has that information so that they can give you some guidance. One of the most important things I encourage everyone to do to make sure they're keeping their financial information safe and secure is to make sure you're getting a copy of your credit report each year. Your credit report is actually your first line of defense against identity theft, because if anybody is using your information or has captured your information in any way, it will show up in your credit report. And once you have that knowledge, then you can begin to take the steps to be able to remove that information and defend against identity theft. Consumer Affairs is available to you 24/7 all of the time, not just during National Consumer Protection Week. In fact, we are your resource for information. So we encourage you, anytime you have a question or you need some guidance or you're not quite sure where to go, reach out to us.